Hello, this is lawyer JP Kim. I'm the criminal lawyer in Korea. I opened this YouTube channel to help you guys and introduce you to guys with to the Korean legal system. For those of you who are facing with the legal problems here in Korea, I hope I can be the help for you guys. Well, in last two videos, I just talked about what you should do when you are facing with the investigation. And today, I would like to talk about what happens after the investigation. Well, I'm not the expert in foreign laws like in the States or Canada. I do not have the full understanding of their legal system, but I do understand they have the disclosure process, right? While you're having the investigation, disclosure of all the evidences. But in Korea, we do not have those. While you're having the investigation with the authorities, you absolutely have no idea what they have in their hands as an evidences to back up your charges. You just have to, you have to be just smart to answer those questions correctly, according to your recollections.
100% innocent.
Right. But after indictment, that's when you can have all the evidences in your hand. That's when you can request to disclose all the evidences to the prosecution offices, and then you can have all the evidences. That's when you need to meet with a lawyer and have a meeting with him and sit with him and examine all the evidences, and that's when you need to prepare your defenses for the upcoming trial. So now you have all the evidences, right? Now you have what they have, because your charges has to be proven by prosecutors with the evidences, with the right evidences. Beyond judges' reasonable doubts. That's the basic criminal evidence rule, right? And what happens on the first day of trial, you will be called upon the bar, and you will pass the bar, and you will sit with your lawyer on the table, on the right side of the table, and then you will be standing, and judge himself or herself will check on you, your identification, whether you are the right person or not, your names, job and addresses, and all personal information, and she or he will ask you about that, and you will be answering all those questions. And after that, you will be seated, and then prosecutors will stand up and calling the charges. This defendant has been charged with those blah, 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 blah crimes. And that's when you need to answer whether you admit that charge or not. So if you are fighting for your justice, innocence, well, obviously the first day of the trial is very important. So before that, by examining all the evidences thoroughly, and you need to prepare your tactics and defenses well enough to be proven not guilty. Right? After that, you go on the first trial and you say, well, I don't know to meet the charges. I'm innocent. That's when the whole interesting trial will be kicking off. That's what happens on the first trial. All right. Next time I'll be talking about how those trial unfolds, as what kind of tactics that we can use to prove the guilty or not guilty, like cross-examination of the witnesses and presenting the new evidences into the court. So I'll be talking about that in next videos. So, well, I do not have many subscribers now, but thank you for watching these videos, and if you liked it, please click the like below, and please subscribe. Well, if you think this video is helpful for you. All right, thank you. I'll be coming back with more interesting topics. Thank you.
Like I always say, if you got the right lawyer with you, we've got the greatest legal system in the world.